Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tips and tricks how to set dimension unit. So as example, I will create a rectangle and you can set for dimension into 100 and also 100. Now if you create dimension linear in this object from this points into here, it will be show the dimension but without unit. So if you want to set units into the dimension, you can type dim pos, press enter, and in I will set into millimeter. You can type double M, press enter again. Now if you try dim line again and create like from this point into here, it will be show for the units in dimension. If you want to set again into default, you can type dim pos, press enter, and then you can click on a keyboard point and press enter again. Now if you tap again, dim line, enter, and create the dimension, will be show the default dimension. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tips and tricks how to set a dimension unit. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.